Hello students, today in this video we will try to conclude our chapter, that is linear equations in one variable. Okay, in this video we will discuss applications of the linear equations. Till now we have solved many equations in which there was a simple expression on one side and a constant or variable on the other side. Then we have found the solve this, right? So now in applications of the linear equations we will not find ready-made equations like our earlier classes what we have done, right? Now in this we will find equations which will be in words, right? And from those lines we have to decode, we have to form the equation and then solve according to the rules. So here is an example. What is it? What should be added to thrice the rational number minus 7 by 4 to get 3 by 7? The equation says that what must we add to the rational number 7 by 4? Okay, do we know what is a rational number? Yes, we know. The number which can be expressed in the form p by q and q not equals 0 are known as rational number. So here 7 by 4 can be written in the form p by q, right? And we know 4 is not equal to 0, so minus 7 by 4 is a rational number. Now what is asked in the question? Look, what should be added to thrice the rational number? Means what? Rational number is which one? This minus 7 by 4 is the rational number, right? Now in question it is asked that which number should we get to thrice? Thrice means what? Triple of this number to get 3 by 7. मतलब क्या है? मतलब हम कौन सा नंबर हम इस नंबर के साथ जोड़ेंगे to get 3 by 7. So how will we find? Now do we know this number? What should be added to thrice the rational number? Do we know what number should we add? No, we don't know. So let us assume the number be what? X, because math is based on assumption. Let us assume any number, suppose x, y, z. In this case let us take x. So first of all let me show you in rough. Suppose if we take, let the number be x, right? Okay, first of all let us take what should be added to thrice the rational number. First of all we have to write this number, that is minus 7 by 4, minus 7 by 4, and as it is what? 3 times, right? 3 times means it is multiplied by 3. So minus 7 by 4 into 3. This means what? Thrice the rational number, that is minus 7 by 4. Now with this number what should we get? To get what? The result of this, the result must be what? 3 by 7. So as we don't know which number should we add, so we'll assume that the number be what? X. So our equation will be like this. That means 3 multiplied minus 7 by 4 plus x equal 3 by 7. After that we know we have found the required equations, right? After that we are quite expert enough to solve those equations. So let us start. Now what we'll do? First of all we'll write solution, right? And as we don't know the number, so let us assume. So let us consider the number be x, right? Now first case, what should we do? We should add x to 3 times the rational number, that is minus 7 by 4. So according to question what can we write? According to question, first what should be added to thrice the rational number? Minus 7 by 4. So first of all let us write thrice the rational number, that is 3 times minus 7 by 4. So 3 times minus 7 by 4 to get what? To get 3 by 7. So what should be added? The number must be what? The number is x, right? So our equation will be like this. That means 3 into minus 7 by 4 plus x equals 3 by 7. So now let us solve this equation. So now what we'll do, we will multiply this. This is numerator, right? Numerator into numerator we will multiply. Then we will change the side by transposing method. So here 3 into 7 is how much? 3 into 7, we know it is what? 21. And as there is minus sign, it will be what? Minus 21. So can we write minus 21 by 4 plus x equals 3 by 7. Right. Now look, what we have to find? We have to find the value of this x, right? So we will keep this x to left hand side and we will take minus 21 by 4 to the right hand side by transposing method. So in the process, as it is minus, right? So in this process it will be what? It will become plus. So the next line will be like this, right? X equals, x after equal what is? 3 by 7, 3 by 7, and this minus 21 by 4 will be what? It will be plus 21 by 4, right? Now what we will do, we will take LCM, right? 7 plus 4, its common factor is multiple is what? Lowest common multiple, it is 28, right? 28 is both divisible with 7 also as well as 4 also. So I will take LCM 28, right? Now 28 divided by 7 is 4. Then 4 into 3, we will multiply 4 into 3 is what? 12. Then plus this plus sign. Then 28 divided by 4 is what? 7. Now we will multiply 7 with 21. So 7 1 7, then 7 into 2 14, right? Now what we will do, we will add this 12 and 47. So 7 plus 2 9, 4 plus 1 5, then 1 divided by 28. So our x is what? 159 by 28. That means x was what? Number, right? So our number is what? 159 by 28. So at last what will write? Therefore the number is 159 by 28. Clear? Here in okay, let us rewind this. Here in application of linear equation, we will not find direct equations, right? We have to make or decode equations from the what? From the questions. So here question is what? What should be added to thrice the rational number minus 7 by 4 to get 3 by 7? What is asked? We should add what? Which what number to 3 times minus 7 by 4 to get 3 by 7? So we don't know the number, so we assume that the number be x, right? Then according to question, 3 times minus 7 by 4, right? So 3 into minus 7 by 4 plus x equals 3 by 7. After that we have followed the equations as we have done earlier. Then we find our number as 159 by 28. So I hope this is clear. We will be more clear as we go on solving the equations like this. So now let's move to our next question, that is a triangle having a perimeter 56 and its sides are 2x, 2x plus 3 and 2x plus 5. Find the length of the sides of the triangle. First of all, we must know that what is a perimeter. So what is a perimeter? Perimeter means length of the total length of all the sides, right? So let us draw a triangle. Consider this is our required triangle, right? Suppose we give name A, B, C. and consider this side as 2x, this side as 2x plus 3, and this as 2x plus 5, right? So perimeter means what? AB plus BC plus CA, right? And we have perimeter, how much? Perimeter we have 56, P equals 56. So how can we solve? We will solve this by using perimeter of triangle, and then what we have to do? We have to find the value of x. So look at the board. First of all, we will write solution given perimeter of triangle. Perimeter of triangle equals 56, right? And its sides are how much? 2x, comma 2x plus 3 and 2x plus 5, right? Now what we know, or we can write since perimeter of triangle equals 56, and perimeter means what? Sum of all the sides, that is sum of 2x plus 2x plus 3 plus 2x plus 5, sum of all these terms, right? This is what? These are expressions, right? Sum of all these expressions. So the perimeter of triangle means sum of all these sides, that is 2x plus 3 plus 2x plus 5 equals 56. Now what can we do? We will remove the brackets, right? Now what we will do? We will remove the brackets. So if we remove the brackets, as there is plus sign, there will be no change. All the signs are what? Plus, so there will be no change in the signs. So 2x plus 3 plus 2x plus 5 equals 56. Now we will add what? We will add variables and constant separate. So here 2x plus 2x is how much? 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. Then 4 plus 2, 6. Oh, it will be what? 6x, right? Then 3 plus 5 is 8. So 6x plus 8 equals 56. So now what we will do? We will change the side of plus 8. So we will take it to the right hand side, right? So in this process, as it is plus, it will become minus. So 6x equals 56 minus 8, and 56 minus 8 is how much? It is 48. So 6x equals 48. Now what we will do? As x is multiplied with 6, and we have to find the value of x, right? So we will change the side of x, and as it is multiplied, so when we change the side, it will be what? It will be divide. So x equals 48 divided by 6, and 48 divided by 6 is how much? 8. X equal to 8, right? That means the value of x is 8. So if we put their value of x, so can we find the length of this side? Can we find the length of this side? Yes, we can find length of all these sides. So now we will write, therefore length of the sides are, okay, right? One was what? 2x equal, in place of x what we will write? 2, that is 8. So 2 into 8 is what? 16. Then second one is what? 2x plus 3. So in place of x what we will write? We will write 8. So 2 into 8 plus 3. So 16 plus 3 is how much? It is 19. Next, third side is what? 2x plus 5. So 2 into 8 plus 5. So 16 plus 5 is 21, right? Now, as I told you earlier, that perimeter means what? Sum of all the sides. Now, if you add this 16, 19 and 21, you will get the result 56. You can check yourself. So, this is our second questions, right? Okay, now let us move to our next question, that is question number 3 of exercise 8.4. So, here the question is what? When 3 times a certain number is subtracted from 8 times the same number, we get result 35. What is the number? Okay, let us underline 3 words. 3 times a certain number from 8 times the same number. The result is 35. So, here the number. Do we know what is the number? क्या हम लोगों को पता है ये कौन सा नंबर है जो 3 टाइम्स और 8 टाइम्स है? We don't know the number. So as if earlier we assume the number be what? X. So here what is written? When 3 times a certain number is subtracted from 8 times. So 8x will come first, right? That means what? 8x minus 3x. The result is 35. So let us assume the number be what? X. Let the number be x. Now according to question what? From 8 times the same number, that is from, मतलब इससे हम 8x से हम क्या subtract करेंगे? 3x, right? So as the number is x, so the number is what? 8 times the number means 8x and 3 times the number means what? 3x. So according to question, 8x minus 3x. The result is what? The result is 35. So now this is very easy. We'll solve. Look, 8x minus 3x is what? 8x minus 3x, it is 5x. 5x equals 35. Now as there 5 is multiplied with x and we know when we change the side it will get divide. So x equals 35 divided by 5, and 35 divided by 5 is how much? It is 7, right? We can cancel 37 5 we can cancel 35 with 5, right? The result will be what? 7. So x is 7. Now we have to find the numbers, right? One number was what? Now we have to find the two numbers, right? The numbers are what? 8x and 3x. We have to find when we will put the value of x, the numbers will come out. So we will write therefore the numbers are what? First one is what? 8x. 8x means what? 8 into 7. 8 into 7 is what? 56. And second is what? 3x. So 3 into 7 is what? 21. Right? Now look, if you subtract 21 from 56, the result will be what? 35. Look here, 56 minus 21. 6 minus 1 is what? 5, and 5 minus 2 is what? 3. So the result is 35. Okay, now let us move to our fourth question, that is here the difference of two number is 9 and they are in the ratio 4:7. So we don't know that there is no number, but there is a hint, that is the numbers are 4:9 and the difference of both the number is what? 9, right? So if we assume that the numbers are what? 4x minus 7x. Now think, if we subtract 7x minus 4x, the result will be what? Suppose like this, 4x minus 7x. The result will be what? The result will be what? Minus, right? The sign will be what? Minus, because we are subtracting a greater number from a smaller number. The result will be minus. But here we don't have minus, so this is not possible. Then the next alternate one is what? we must subtract 4x from 7x. At that time the result will be positive, right? Because we are subtracting a smaller from a greater unit. So if we consider the numbers are what? Numbers are as 4x and 7x. So solution. Let the numbers are 4x and 7x. Now according to question, 7x minus 4x equals 9. So 7 minus 4 is what? 3x equals 9. So now if we change the side, it will be what? Divide. So x equals 9 divided by 3. 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9. So x equals 3. That means this value of x is 3. Now we know the value of x is 3. So can we find the numbers? Yes, we can find the numbers. So therefore the numbers are what? One is 4x. Then 4 into 3. 4 into 3 is how much? 12. And another one is what? 7x equals 7 into 3. 7 into 3 is what? 21. Now if you subtract 12 from 21, you will find the result, that is 9. So after this is our question number 4. Okay, now question number 5. So what is given in the question? Question number 5. The sum of 1/3 and 1/4 and half of a number is 169. Okay, let me first write the question. The sum of 1/3. The sum of 1/3, 1/4 and half of a number, and half of a number is how much? It is 169. 169. Then find the number. So here what is given in the question? Here the sum of 1/3 means 1 by 3. Sum means what? Plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus half means 1 by 2 of a number. Of means multiplied of a number. Then do we know the number? We don't know. So let us assume of means what? Multiply. So and assume the number be what? X. So 1/3 of x plus 1/4 of x plus 1/2 of x. The result is what? The result is 169. So our equation will be like this, right? So let us solve. Since we don't know the number, so let us assume let the number be what? Be x. Then according to question, 1/3 means what? 1 by 3rd of x plus 1 by 4th of x plus half x equals 169. Now what? If we multiply numerator into numerator, that is 1 into 3x plus like this, the equation will be like. Now what we'll do? We'll take LCM. That is what? Lowest common multiple of 3, 4 and 2. This is one which is it is what? 12, right? 12 also can be divided with 3, 4, 2, right? So 12. Now 3 into 4, 12, that is 4 into x, 4x plus 3x plus 6x equals 169. Now as 12 is multiplied, so when we change the side, it will be what? It will get divided, and 4x plus 3x plus 6x will be right like this, right? 4x plus 3x plus 6x equals 169 into 12. Then 4 plus 3, how much? 4 plus 3, okay, 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 13x equals, okay, 169 into 12. Now here 13 is multiplied with x, so when we change the side, it will get divided. So 169 into 12 divided by 13, then 13 1 is 13 and 13 is 169, right? So now what we have to do, we have to multiply x equals 13 into 12, 13 into 12. So it will be what? 100, x equals 156, right? Now what we have to do, we have to put the value of x in all those number, then we will find the numbers, right? So our numbers will be what? Therefore the numbers are, one is what, x by 3, 1 x means what, 156 by 3 equals what, okay, look, 3 5s are 15, then 3 2s are 6, another is one is what, 156 by 4, so 4 3s are 12, then 3 6, 4 9s are 36, then another is what, 156 divided by 2, so 2 7 are 14, 1 6, 2 8 are 16. So our numbers are 56, 39 and 78. So up to this for today's class. Next we will continue in our next video.